Today, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into shapes in Figma. This is a really useful technique when you want to create custom image layouts or add visual interest to your designs by fitting photos into circles, polygons, or any custom shape. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Figma file with the image you want to crop. Make sure your image is already placed on the canvas and ready to work with. This technique works with any image you've imported into Figma, whether it's a photo, illustration, or graphic. Next, click the Shape Tools drop-down in the bottom toolbar. This drop-down gives you access to all the basic shape options Figma offers. From there, select a shape like rectangle, ellipse, or polygon. The shape you choose will determine what your final cropped image looks like, so pick one that suits your design needs. Now, click and drag to draw the shape on top of the image, covering the area you want to keep visible. Position it carefully because this shape will act as the mask, meaning only the parts of the image underneath this shape will remain visible. Take your time here to get the placement just right. Once your shape is drawn, right-click on the shape and select Send to Back. This step is important because it ensures the shape layer sits below the image layer in the layer hierarchy, which is necessary for the masking to work properly. Now, hold Shift and click the image so both layers are selected. You'll see both the shape and the image highlighted in your Layers panel. Having both layers selected is essential for the next step to combine them into a masked object. With both layers selected, right-click on any part of the image and select Use as Mask. This command tells Figma to use the shape as a clipping mask for the image, instantly cropping the image to fit within the boundaries of the shape you drew. You'll immediately see the effect take place. Finally, drag the image or the shape to adjust. You can click directly on the image inside the mask to reposition it, or you can select the shape layer to resize or move the mask itself. This flexibility lets you fine-tune the composition until it looks exactly how you want. And there you have it, you've successfully cropped an image into a custom shape in Figma. This technique opens up endless creative possibilities for your designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.